everybody, I'm LEGO Separator and I'm here to provide inspiration on what to build with LEGO bricks. Today we're doing a 3-minute mini build where I try to make a LEGO creation in under 3 minutes. And today for our 3-minute mini build we're going to be building this arcade game machine. And I will show you how to make this, and I will be introducing the pieces as I go along, so feel free to pause at any time in this video to see what's going on. So without further ado, let's start the clock. Okay, the clock is ticking, so let's get started. So we're gonna start off with a 2x2 standard base plate in green, and on top of that we're gonna be attaching the side attachment bricks slightly inset. I'm using this dark green for the base color of our arcade game machine, and a 1x2 standard brick behind that. On the sides we're going to be adding the side attachment plates facing downwards, and on top of that side attachment plates just facing upwards like so, and just on top of that another 1x2 standard base plate in this green. Now we're going to add some decoration on the front, so a little single cheese slope. This will be the slot to insert our money. This is a game that you need to pay to play. And a small, where can I put this? A small 1x1 tile. I'm using this green, and it's just going to be a flashing light on the front of our game. Now one of these small little black mini peg holders will serve as a joystick. Put that over there, and a big red button next to it as well, because it's pushy. Push the button, push, bang, 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 bang. Oh yes, getting rid of aliens. Okay, so now we're gonna have a standard brick, well, not a standard brick, a 1x2 ribbed brick like this one to add a bit of texture, and a side attachment brick like this. A double cheese slope to go at the back like this. Here's the side view, and a normal 2x2 black tile to be the computer screen. We just attach it to the side attachment brick over here, and there we go, we can see what we are playing. Now on the sides we're going to be adding some nice detailed decoration. 2x2 standard base plates, I'm using a lot of them in this episode. There we go, and wedge pieces, triangular wedge pieces. These are the 2x3 versions on both sides. We're just gonna snap them over here on the side, and there we go. So there we have it, our arcade game machine is complete. You can make this in a range of colors. You can put either coins or tokens, if you like game tokens, into the machine, and there is a wild and wide range of games for you to play on these machines. And well, I've got Johnny over here, and he's wasting no time into getting down onto playing this game. But that's the end of our video, so I hope to show you more in the future. I hope this inspired you, and until next time, happy building! Push the button, push, bang, 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 bang. Oh yeah!